My name is John Hodges. I run Organic Production Services. We got this machine. It's a ADS2000. We run 100 tons a day through it for 4 months. We're going up to a 6,000. Trading this one for the 6,000 machine. Run good, no problems. Very satisfied. We run a soybean crushing facility, organic, and we do 100 tons a day. We're going to put it in place to unload trucks, and we want to unload the trucks fast and put them in grain bins. Getting dirt and holes mostly. Mainly we want to get the dirt out, keep the wear off of our machinery, expanders and expellers. We'll be filling grain bins with it out of the truck. So we'll be able to clean them before we go in the grain bin and before we go to the dryer. Really it did, just fed it and it did its own job really. Did exactly what we wanted it to do. Thank you.